This is not an animal. And this is not science fiction. What you are looking at is a machine that moves like a living beast, built from iron, steam, and sweat. This mechanical creature walks the farmland as if it has a soul. No software, no touch screens, no artificial intelligence. Just raw mechanical power from a forgotten industrial age. On its back, a rusted vintage engine breathes again. Pistons rise and fall like a heartbeat. Gears grind, belts spin, steam escapes into the air. Every oil stain, every scratch on the metal tells a story of decades of hard labor. This engine is not replaced. It is respected, repaired, and reborn. Sitting on top of this mechanical beast is a man, not a passenger, an operator. His hands pull heavy metal levers. Chains tighten. Valves open. Man and machine move together, perfectly synchronized. As the beast steps forward, its massive mechanical legs sink into the mud. Iron plates flex. Hydraulic joints hiss under pressure. Steel hooves crush the soil with unstoppable force. The land does not resist, it submits. This is farming in its most brutal and honest form. No comfort, no silence. Only motion, noise, and strength. This machine was never designed to look beautiful. It was designed to survive. Rain, dust, rust, heat, nothing stopped it. It represents a time when machines were built to last generations, not product cycles. Today, technology is invisible, silent, clean. But this machine is loud, dirty, unapologetic. You can see the power. You can hear the work. You can feel the effort. This mechanical beast reminds us of something we've forgotten. Progress did not begin with microchips. It began with muscle, metal, and human determination.
This is not just a machine. It's a beast forged by time and iron. A decades-old engine breathes steam and fire, pistons pounding as it tears through the soil. With every step, the earth trembles, gears grinding, metal groaning under raw power. Above it all, a lone operator grips the levers, commanding steel with human will. This is not the future pretending to be new. It's proof that the strongest progress is built on the bones of the past.